Pasta e fagioli, a taste of Italy in your kitchen. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious and popular Italian dish, pasta e fagioli. This hearty and comforting meal is a staple in Italian cuisine and has a fascinating background. Whether you're an English language learner or a culinary enthusiast, you're in for a treat as we explore what makes pasta e fagioli so special. Pasta e fagioli, pronounced as pasta e fagioli, is a traditional Italian dish. Its name literally translates to pasta and beans in English. This dish is a perfect example of Italian peasant cuisine, offering a filling meal with affordable and readily available ingredients. Traditionally, it includes pasta, beans, vegetables, and sometimes meat, all simmered to perfection in a flavorful broth. While the basic ingredients of pasta e fagioli are pasta and beans, the dish varies significantly across different regions of Italy. Some variations include tomato in the broth, while others use a clear base. Common beans used are cannellini or borlotti. Vegetables like carrots, celery, and onion are staples, and meats such as pancetta or sausage can be added for extra flavor. This versatility makes pasta e fagioli a dish that can be tailored to individual tastes and dietary preferences. Pasta e fagioli holds a special place in Italian culture. It's a symbol of simplicity and resourcefulness, reflecting Italy's culinary history where meals were often made from whatever was available. This dish is a classic example of how basic ingredients can be transformed into a delicious and satisfying meal, embodying the essence of Italian comfort food. Making pasta e fagioli at home can be a delightful experience. Remember to soak the beans overnight if using dried beans. Sautéing the vegetables before adding the broth brings out their flavors. The pasta should be cooked al dente to maintain its texture in the soup. Lastly, adding a drizzle of quality olive oil before serving enhances the dish's richness and flavor. We hope you enjoyed learning about pasta e fagioli. This dish is more than just a meal. It's a journey through Italian culture and history. Try making it at home to bring a taste of Italy into your kitchen. Buon appetito, and see you in the next video.